If you want to try SDBox first, you need to download the trial version from our official website. Save the installation wizard to any location you want and then wait for the download to complete. Open the installation wizard and follow all steps. The installation creates two folders, SDBox, usually on the C drive or whatever location you choose, and SDBox Tools, which is automatically created on the C drive. Nothing else happens during installation. AutoCAD, or BricsCAD or GStarCAD or ZWCAD, opens automatically and you need to load the SDBox for the first time. Enter Upload and select the file CAD-SDBox.lsp in the path C, SDBox Tools. After the file is selected, first press Load, then OK and wait for the loading to complete. Once the SDBox tab opens, it means the installation has progressed correctly. The second tab reminds you that in every new drawing you have to apply Start SDBox to be able to access the features. When you see in the command line the phrase OK, you can now use SDBox commands. It means that the installation is complete. Note, the process for BricsCAD or GStarCAD or ZWCAD platforms may take several minutes the first time. The trial version contains all commands and functions of SDBox and is the Diamond version. Thank you for trying SDBox.